सुमनसवन्दित सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळवासिनि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मी।
It is Varamahalakshmi, beautiful festival celebrated by women and families to seek the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi. Children, come to me. We are so much to do before. Amma, why we are decorating our house with flowers? Because we welcome Goddess Lakshmi into our home. Flowers, rangoli and a clean home shows our love and devotion.
Amma, why do we do Varamahalakshmi Puja?
Varamahalakshmi is a form of Goddess Lakshmi. We offer her prayer for good health and well-being.
So, if we pray Goddess Lakshmi, are we blessed with prosperity and good health?
Prosperity is not only money. A happy family, kindness and well-being is also greatest blessing. Children, learn. Grandma, tell us the story of Varamahalakshmi. Long ago, there lived a kind and devoted woman named Charumati. In her dream, Goddess Lakshmi appeared and told her about the Varamahalakshmi Vratam.
So, what did Charumati do?
Charumati performed puja with devotion. She offered flowers, fruits, and offered Goddess Lakshmi.
And what happened then?
Goddess Lakshmi blessed her with health, happiness, and prosperity.
So, devotion is more important than expensive offerings.
Goddess Lakshmi only sees our heart and love, not the.
Goddess Scene 3. Goddess Lakshmi up. I am pleased to see your devotion. Goddess Lakshmi. Remember, true wealth is not just about gold and money. It is also about love, compassion, knowledge, good health, courage and contentment. Goddess Lakshmi, how can we receive your blessings? Be truthful, respect your parents and elders, share what you have, help those in need, study sincerely and always be kind. We promise. Then always my blessings will be with you.
Scene 4. The Promise. Children, shall we begin the puja? Let us all pray together. Om Namaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha. Devotion and gratitude. Today I learned that Goddess Lakshmi Devi blesses much more than wealth.
I learned that helping is a form of worship.
I learned that the greatest treasure is a happy and loving family.
May home be filled with happiness, peace and prosperity.
Shubham Bhavatu. Happy Varamahalakshmi Vratam.
Let us welcome Goddess Lakshmi with devotion in our hearts and kindness in our actions.
Manifestation of Lakshmi. The Hindu recites over 8 sources of wealth. Materials, wealth, agriculture, royalty, knowledge, courage, prophecy and victory. The Ashtalakshmi are always depicted and worshipped as and often in temples. Now let us invite Adi Lakshmi to stage. Adi Lakshmi, the ancient source. I am the peace that exists before ambition begins. Now let us invite Dhanalakshmi to stage. Dhanalakshmi, gold and currency are my symbols, but I grant wealth only to those who labor with honesty. Use my gifts to uplift others, not to feed greed. Dhanalakshmi to stage. And remember, you cannot eat gold coins. I am Dhanya Lakshmi, the nutrition of the food and the fertility of the soil. Invite Gaja Lakshmi to stage. I am Gaja Lakshmi. I bring majesty of royal elephants. I bless you with leadership, patience, and noble character that protects others rather than crushing them. Now let us Gaja Lakshmi to stage. Let us invite Santana Lakshmi to stage. I am Santana Lakshmi. I bring the wealth of family, the laughter of children, and legacy of good values. A lonely king in an empty palace is a beggar. Your family is your true emotional fortress. Now let us invite Veera Lakshmi to stage. I am Veera Lakshmi, the mother of courage. Fear is a shadow and you are the light. I do not promise us your life is without struggles, but I promise us that you are backbone to face fear and bonding down. Now let us Vidya Lakshmi to stage. I am Vidya Lakshmi. I am knowledge, art and skill. Money can be stolen, power can be lost, but the wisdom inside your mind is your eternity. Now let us invite me to stage. Comes victory. I am Vijay Lakshmi. I crown those who persist beating an opponent. It is about conquering your own doubts and emerging wiser. Your home with health, your mind with wisdom, your heart with courage, and your entire life with absolute abundance.
Will bless you with prosperity, education, strength, power, all those things. Got it?
सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळवासिनि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देवसुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम् कल्मषनाशिनि कामिनि वैदिकरूपिणि वेदमये क्षीरसमुद्भव मङ्गलरूपिणि मन्त्रनिवासिनि मन्त्रनुते मङ्गलदायिनि अम्बुजवासिनि देवगणाश्रितपादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि धान्यलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम् जय वरवर्णिनि वैष्णवि भार्गवि मन्त्रस्वरूपिणि मन्त्रमये सुरगणपूजित शीघ्रफलप्रद ज्ञानविकासिनि शास्त्रनुते भवभयहारिणि पापविमोचनि साधुजनाश्रितपादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि धैर्यलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम् नाशिनि कामिनि सर्वफलप्रदशास्त्रमये रथगजतुरगपदादि समानुत परिजनमण्डित लोकनुते हरिहर ब्रह्म सुपूजित सेवित तापनिवारिणि पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि श्रीगजलक्ष्मी पालय माम् ऐकगवाहिनि मोहिनि चक्रिणि रागविवर्धिनि ज्ञानमये गुणगणवारिधि लोकहितैषिणि सप्तस्वरवरगाननुते सकलसुरासुरदेव मुनीश्वर मानव वन्दित पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि सन्तान लक्ष्मी पालय माम् जय कमलासनि सद्गतिदायिनि ज्ञानविकासिनि गानमये अनुदिनमर्चित कुङ्कुमधूसर भूषित वासित वाद्यनुते कनकधरा स्तुति वैभव वन्दित शङ्कर देशिक मान्यपते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि विजय लक्ष्मी जय पालय माम् प्रणत सुरेश्वरि भारति भार्गवि शोक विनाशिनि रत्नमये मणिमय भूषित कर्ण विभूषण शान्ति समावृत हास्यमुखे नवनिधिदायिनि कलिमलहारिणि काम्यफलप्रद हस्तयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि विद्या लक्ष्मी पालय माम् सुमनसवन्दित सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदा